Hi guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of BeastGrip Smartphone Lens Adapter and Camera Rig System. Let's go and take a look. Boom shakalaka. Okay, and inside we have the BeastGrip, right? And a user manual. Alright, so this is a smartphone mount. For those of you who want to take your smartphone photography, videography to the next level. I've actually read about this. So it's got a 37mm thread, so you could put any 37mm. I would actually recommend getting a 37 to 52mm adapter. And I know a lot of you have 52mm ND filters and whatnot. Then you can go ahead and use your 52mm. So that's nice. It also comes with a macro and wide angle. So you can make it wide angle. You know, instead of one of those cheap ones, you can have it like completely on here. And there's two dials, so you can move the lens. And what else does it come with? Alright, so it does come with some extra tools, right, if you want to attach something. And oh, what is this? Not sure what this is. We'll find out. So there's some extra parts, screws. I'm not gonna bother with it for right now. And a nice pouch for your wide angle lens. Yeah, this is where you can go ahead and put that in there. So for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this out. Okay, let me go ahead and attach my cell phone on here. What do I got here? Yeah, I got the LG V40. This is a spring-loaded lever. You can just go ahead and simply place your phone on here. Adjust this. Okay, and once that's on, you're pretty secure. And the only thing left over is aligning the lens. So I'm gonna go ahead and align it exactly. And also I'm gonna, wow, look at how exactly you can do it. So I got that aligned. And also this material is metal. I like that. All the rods are metal. The handles are sort of a hard plastic mold. It is really tough though. Yeah, I really like how they made this. It's very tough. And also there's dials for this, so it won't move laterally. So wow, this is gonna work out for any phone. Galaxy Note 8, Note 9, smaller phones. That's perfectly on there. And then here's a look. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And they have 3 holes where you can attach stuff. Obviously you want to use this for your tripod. So tripod mounts and extra mounts you can put stuff in. Also on top, you got 2 mounts that you could mount stuff. So that is awesome. And you got a hot shoe here for connecting flashlight or whatever you want to put there. Hi guys, so that's what it looks like. It's gonna be great for putting on ND filters, especially during the daylight. Also, you can put it on the tripod, you can put a lot of mounts. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and try putting it on my camera gimbal. Let's actually see if it works with the Galaxy Note 9 also. I know a lot of you probably thinking in that route. All right, I'm gonna just go ahead and pop the Galaxy Note 9 on there. Undo this, in there, perfect. And I'm gonna undo this. So I got it on the main camera. Right there, and just do that, and bam, fits the Galaxy Note 9 just fine. Let me go ahead and try the wide angle lens that it comes with. Since the Note 9 doesn't have wide angle, but this is gonna be great for turning your phone without wide angle into wide angle. Wow. Oh, there's slight vignetting. Right, it's gotten super wide. It's not bad. It's definitely better than one of those clip-ons, because those tend to move. But this one, so yeah, you may have to cut the video out a little bit, but looks good. And of course, they do have a macro also. So if you want it to use as a macro lens, you can get some real macro close-up shots for taking photos of insects. You can get to about an inch. So you make a video like this. Wow. And you get very nice bokeh, so that's nice. Anyway guys, I've got this mounted on my tripod now, and I got some rails on here, so later on I've actually ordered a Canon DOF adapter that allows you to use any Canon lens along with this mount. That's going to allow you to utilize the full power of DSLR lenses on your smartphone. So it's supposed to be here today, like right now, but it's FedEx messed up. It's still on the plane from New York. So I should have that tomorrow, and also I've got Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL unboxing tomorrow, so huge day tomorrow. That's gonna be a lot of fun. And yeah, with this new gear, I'm gonna be able to take my smartphone videography, photography to the next level. So we'll check it out. But have a great day, and as always, stay on Android.
click here to subscribe.